Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of animal behavior and delving into the intriguing phenomenon of filial cannibalism. Yes, you read that right, some animals eat their own offspring. But why does this happen, and what drives this behavior? Join us as we uncover the surprising reasons behind this complex and often misunderstood topic. Absolutely. Here's the previous search on filial cannibalism translated into English. The phenomenon of animals eating their offspring, also known as filial cannibalism, is a surprisingly common behavior in the animal kingdom. While it might seem strange or brutal to us as humans, it often represents an adaptive strategy to ensure the survival of the species or to maximize reproductive success in the long term. Animals that eat their offspring and examples. This phenomenon is widespread across a vast array of living organisms, from mammals and birds to fish, insects, and spiders. Here are some examples. Asterisk fish. Asterisk sand tiger shark. This is a striking example. The female lays numerous eggs into separate uteri. The embryos develop sharp teeth inside the uterus and begin to eat their siblings and any unfertilized eggs until only one strong embryo remains in each uterus. This ensures that only the strongest embryos survive. Asterisk many parental care fish species. In many fish species where the male guards the eggs, the male might eat a portion of the eggs or newly hatched fry. It's believed that this provides him with the energy and nutrients needed to continue guarding the nest, or to reduce the brood size to increase the survival chances of the remaining offspring. Asterisk mammals. Asterisk hamsters, known to sometimes eat their young, especially under certain conditions like food scarcity, when the mother is stressed, or if the litter size is too large for her to care for all of them. The mother might eat weak or sick pups to focus her energy on the stronger ones. Asterisk mice. Mice sometimes consume their offspring in conditions of food scarcity or intense resource competition. Asterisk cats. In rare instances, a cat might eat her newborn kittens if they have birth defects, or are stillborn or sick. She might also simply neglect them. Asterisk dogs. Despite being domesticated and friendly animals, dogs might also resort to eating their young in some cases, especially due to psychological stress or insufficient maternal care. Asterisk lions. Male lions often kill the cubs of defeated males when taking over a pride, and may eat some of these cubs. This behavior prompts the females to re-enter a breeding cycle with the new male, ensuring the spread of his genes. Asterisk spotted hyenas. Known for their strong and aggressive females, they may engage in cub cannibalism. Asterisk birds. Asterisk golden eagle. Although they usually lay only 2 eggs, golden eagles may eat their young in times of food scarcity. Scientists believe that up to 80% of golden eagle chicks die from starvation or cannibalism. Asterisk spiders. Many spider species exhibit maternal cannibalism, where the mother might offer herself as food for her offspring to ensure their survival. In some cases, the mother might eat her young. Asterisk crabs. Females might exhibit filial cannibalism. Asterisk Boulangerulatoitana worms. These oviparous amphibians have their mother's skin transform into a nutrient-rich layer for their young to feed on with their sharp teeth. Underlying reasons for this behavior. The reasons that drive animals to eat their young are numerous and include asterisk resource scarcity and hunger. Asterisk hunger and food scarcity are among the primary reasons. When a parent is in dire need of energy to survive, they might resort to eating their offspring as a source of food and protein. This increases the parent's chances of survival and, consequently, future reproductive opportunities. Asterisk example, hamsters and mice in conditions of food scarcity. Asterisk harsh environmental conditions and stress. Asterisk unfavorable environmental conditions such as drought, sudden climate changes, or overcrowding can cause severe stress to parents, leading them to engage in this behavior. Asterisk example, dogs experiencing psychological stress. Asterisk reducing brood size and increasing survival chances for the strongest. Asterisk if the number of offspring is too large, and the parents cannot effectively care for all of them, they might eat some of the young too. Reduce competition for resources among siblings and increase the survival chances of the healthier and stronger offspring. Asterisk example, sand tiger sharks, where only the strongest survive. Asterisk sick or deformed offspring. Asterisk some animals might eat offspring that are born with birth defects, or are sick and weak, to avoid wasting resources and energy on their care, and to prevent attracting predators to the nest. Asterisk example, cats eating their sick kittens. Asterisk post-birth trauma. Asterisk in some cases, the mother might experience trauma during birth, causing her to view her offspring as a threat and leading her to eat them. Asterisk reproductive strategy for males. Asterisk in some species, like lions, new males kill the offspring of the previous male. This behavior aims to make the females available for mating again quickly, ensuring the spread of the new male's genes. Asterisk error in offspring recognition. Asterisk in rare cases, the mother might not correctly recognize her offspring, especially if it's her first birth or if she's in an unfamiliar environment. Filial cannibalism as an adaptive strategy. Despite the harshness of this phenomenon, it is often considered an adaptive behavior aimed at increasing the reproductive fitness of the parents by providing energy to the parents to ensure their survival and the ability to produce more offspring in the future. Improving the quality of surviving offspring by concentrating resources on the strongest and healthiest young. Reducing competition among offspring for food and resources.